Today what we're going to do is to archive or delete a class. At the end of a semester or school year, you can archive classes when you've finished with. You can unarchive a class if you want to use it again. You can delete an archived class if you never want to use it again. If you don't archive classes, they'll still appear on your classroom homepage and the student's homepage. Students cannot archive any classes. When you archive a class, it's placed in a separate area to preserve the class material, student work, and posts. You no longer see it among active classes on the homepage. You and your students can view an archived class. To use a class again, post, assignments, and so on, you have to unarchive it. The people that can archive a class are teachers and co-teachers. Students can view archived class, but they cannot archive it or unarchive it. What happens to the material? If it is archived or deleted, it's still in your Google Drive. The way that it works is that you go to your Google area, go to Classroom, go to the class you want to archive or delete, archive it, once it is archiving, then you'll go check to see where it's archived at. Once it is there, you can delete it, but once you delete it, you don't get it back. Or if you've archived it by mistake or want to get it back to active, you hit to restore. Then you go back to your Google, and there it is. And that's how you archive and unarchive a Google Classroom.